Hey guys, Mike here with Infratech. We're here at CEDIA 2025, meeting with all the great integrators from around the country. Our company, Infratech, is a custom manufacturer of outdoor electric infrared heating systems. Say that 10 times fast. But it's outdoor heaters that can integrate seamlessly into any of the major platforms like Control4, Savant, Crestron, Lutron, you name it. Infratech builds a lot of different models of electric infrared units that look differently aesthetically, but they are going to warm objects and spaces, not the air. So they're efficient in those outdoor spaces, restaurants, customers' patios, all kinds of different spaces. We're going to extend the season for customers by adding electric infrared units. Now for the integrator community, the great thing about Infratech is we have a variety of different control options. So we make custom UL built panels in our facility in Gardena that can integrate seamlessly into any of those major platforms. So we have a universal control system that runs off of a 120 volt AC signal, so any 120 volt dimmer switch, or we have a home management control system that runs off of a 0 to 10 volt DC signal for integration into any of those low voltage control systems. So a great product to add to those spaces to extend the season for your clients. And for the integrators, it's a great upsell for your clients to add heating and add this system. So contact us today to become a dealer. We appreciate you guys attending CEDIA 2025. And again, we're Infratech, custom made in Southern California. Thank you guys.